The headlines are brutal, and AI is rewriting the rules. It feels like every other day there's a new warning.
Half of entry-level white-collar jobs disappearing in the next 1 to 5 years.
The robots are coming for our keyboards. Maybe you know someone who's been impacted. Maybe you're a software engineer yourself, feeling a little obsolete. Is this really it? Is software engineering dead? Well, hold on a second. Let's dig a little bit deeper than those clickbait headlines. Because while the tech landscape is shifting dramatically, the idea of software engineering itself kicking the bucket, that's not the full story. Yes, the rise of AI-powered coding tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Cursor AI are changing how code is written. Some even suggest that AI could eventually handle the responsibility of extracting context and validating the code, potentially making developers mere supervisors or product managers who are just looking over the AI itself. And let's not ignore the buzz around agentic coding, where AI tackles complex programming tasks without any human intervention at all. NVIDIA CEO even warned that traditional coding might not be a viable career in the future. But here's a crucial point. AI is becoming a powerful tool for software engineers, not necessarily a direct replacement. Think of it like the aviation industry.
I'll give you an analogy of the pilot or the evolution of aviation. In the 1930s, there were 4 people in the cockpit. You had a pilot, you had a co-pilot, you had a flight engineer, you had a navigator. As AI got better, the navigator role in the cockpit was optional. Like, you didn't need to be there. And as AI got better, like, flight engineer was optional. And today you have the pilot, just the pilot and the co-pilot. And 90% of your flight is flown by AI. But that doesn't mean that you can put anybody in the pilot seat. You are still assessing people, which is your knowledge of the fundamentals of aeronautical engineering.
Similarly, software engineering is evolving. Routine coding tasks might get automated, leading to fewer purely routine positions. As Laurie Schaefer, CEO at Digital Wave, put it, we might see a shift from teams of developers writing code line by line to leaner, more strategic teams of architects orchestrating AI-generated programs. You might become more of an editor and reviewer of AI-generated code rather than the sole author of every single line. This doesn't mean fewer jobs overall, but rather a redistribution of skills and responsibilities. The focus is shifting towards complex problem solving, system design, ethical AI development, and also integrating AI workflows into pre-existing teams. As Neil Sohota points out, AI might write code, but it doesn't always understand the why behind it, the context, business nuances, and also the edge cases that real-world systems require. And let's be real, code that generates code still needs to be maintained. Debugging AI's mistake might become a significant part of the job. As Cassie Kozyrkov, former chief data scientist at Google, wisely said, we risk replacing builders with babysitters if you're not careful. Someone needs to monitor the AI, fix its errors, and maintain the long-term systems. So what do you need to do to not just survive but thrive in this evolving landscape? Upskill. Continuously learn. Don't pigeonhole your skill set. Become an expert generalist. That basically means knowing multiple things and also understanding concepts. Master AI tools and understand how to work alongside them. Focus on those uniquely human skills that AI can't replicate. Empathy, communication, leadership, and the crucial ability to understand the why behind the code. The demand for skilled engineers, especially in AI-related roles, is actually increasing day by day. New roles like AI maintenance engineers, ethical AI designers are emerging. And as Vivek Ravishankar, CEO of HackerRank, noted, despite AI getting better at solving coding problems, strong fundamentals are still essential.
The more you are a master of the fundamentals, the more you can be a master in like the expert topics or like how to even use these tools to make it better. So I think like the fundamentals are needed.
So, is software engineering dead? Absolutely not. It's transforming. The routine parts might fade, but the heart of software engineering, that is problem solving and creative, innovative solutions for our and humans' needs, that's not going anywhere. You just might be wielding a different set of tools and having a different skill set and taking on a more strategic role. The future of software engineering isn't about replacement at all. It's about augmentation and evolution. So keep learning, keep adapting, and get ready for the next chapter.